Hello friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of this week. Top 100 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri COVID Upchar Yojana? Answer, Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced the Mukhyamantri COVID Upachar Yojana for free treatment to all those from economically weaker section in the state. Second question. Who has won the women's single tennis title of the Mutua Madrid Open 2021? Answer, Aryna Sabalenka. Aryna Sabalenka defeated Ashley Barge in the final 6-0, 3-6, 6-4 to win women's singles tennis title at the 2021 Madrid Open. Third question. What is the name of the app launched by CBSE for psychosocial wellness of students and parents? Answer, CBSE Dost for Life app. The Central Board of Secondary Education has launched CBSE Dost for Life app for psychological well-being of students. The app is available on Google Play Store. This app is available from students classes to 9 to 12 in order to help them in maintaining their psychosocial wellness. Fourth question. What is the name of the 7th airport of Assam which was inaugurated recently? Answer, Rupsi Airport. On 8th May 2021, Rupsi Airport started operation. With this, Rupsi Airport became the 7th airport of Assam. It has been made operational under Regional Connectivity Scheme Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagrik. Next question. Which IPL team's owner has donated Rs 30 crore to COVID-19 fund? Answer, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Owner of IPL team Sunrisers Hyderabad, Sun TV, on Monday donated 30 crore towards COVID-19 relief work being undertaken by the state and central government along with various NGOs. Sixth question. Which state police have launched COVID hospital transport service? Answer, Haryana. In an attempt to help COVID-19 patients find transport services easily, Haryana Police has come forward and temporarily provided 440 COVID-19 hospital transport services vehicles for free transportation of needy infected patients from their home to hospital nursing home and vice versa. Seventh question. Who has won the 2021 Spanish Grand Prix title? Answer, Lewis Hamilton. Regaining champion Lewis Hamilton has won the Spanish Grand Prix while Red Bull's Max Verstappen slipped to the second spot while Mercedes' Charles Leclerc finished in the third spot. Eighth question. World Health Organization has approved which Chinese vaccine for the first time? Answer, Sinopharm. The World Health Organization approved for emergency use of COVID-19 vaccine from China's state-owned drug maker Sinopharm on Friday, bolstering Beijing's push for a bigger role in inoculating the world. Ninth question. Who has won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival? Answer, Anupam Kher. Anupam Kher won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival for his short film Happy Birthday. Directed by Prasad Kadam, it also stars Ahana Kumara. Next question. Name the two former Olympics medal hockey players who passed away recently. Answer, M.K. Kaushik and Ravinder Pal. M.K. Kaushik was a prominent member of India's last Olympics gold-winning team and also a successful coach for India. He died on Saturday due to COVID-19. His 1980 Olympic teammate Ravinder Pal also died on Saturday due to coronavirus. It is a tragic news for the entire hockey world. 11th question. What is the name of the lightest type of uranium found by scientists recently? Answer: uranium 214. The scientists have recently created the lightest form of uranium. It is called uranium 214. The discovery reveals more information about an alpha particle. The alpha particle are those particles that get ejected from the radioactive elements as they decay. 12th question. Who became the first person to climb Mount Everest 25 times recently? Answer: Kami Rita. Kami Rita 51 first scaled in 1994 and has been making the trip nearly every year since then. Nepalese climber scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time on Friday, breaking his own record for the most ascents of the world's highest peak. 13th question. What is the new name of Mionka Bara railway station? Answer: Mahesh Nagar. The name of the Mionka Bara railway station in Rajasthan's Jodhpur has been changed to Mahesh Nagar after getting an approval from various departments, a senior government official said. 14th question. Who has launched an app to identify stolen cultural property around the world? Answer: Interpol. International Criminal Police Organization Interpol has launched a mobile application, IDR, which will help to identify the stolen cultural property, reduce smuggling, and increase the possibility of recovering stolen works and artifacts. 15th question. Which country becomes the South Asia's first country to approve the Pfizer COVID vaccine? Answer: Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka on Saturday approved Pfizer vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use in Sri Lanka as the island nation battles with the third wave of coronavirus while suffering a restricted supply of vaccines from neighboring India. 16th question. Who has developed anti-COVID-2 DG for COVID-19 treatment? Answer: DRDO. A new drug developed by Defense Research and Development Organization named 2-deoxy-D-glucose in association with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited has been approved for emergency use in the treatment of COVID-19 patients by the Drug Controller General of India. 17th question. How many women military soldiers have been inducted into the Indian Army recently? Answer: 83 women soldiers. The first batch of 83 women soldiers was inducted into the Indian Army Military Police by the Corps of Military Police Center and School at the Dronacharya Parade Ground in Bangalore on Saturday. 18th question. Which space agency is setting up to launch Dodge 1 by 2022? Answer: SpaceX. Elon Musk's run SpaceX is now accepting the new cryptocurrency Dogecoin to launch an upcoming satellite named Dodge 1 to the moon. The Dodge 1 is a CubeSat to acquire lunar spatial intelligence using onboard cameras and sensors, reports The Verge. 19th question. Which state's police has launched COVID van to help senior citizens? Answer: Delhi Police. Delhi Police has launched a COVID van helpline number, a unique initiative aimed at providing assistance to senior citizens who are struggling with their essential needs amid the COVID-19 crisis. 20th question. Who becomes the first woman to receive Global Icon at Brits Award recently? Answer: Taylor Swift. Pop star Taylor Swift will become the first female winner of the Global Icon Award at the Brit Award. She will also be the first non-British recipient of the prize, which is the Brits characterized as their highest honor. 21st question. Which company has partnered with Give India Foundation to home deliver 10,000 oxygen concentrators in Bangalore? Answer: Ola. Ola Foundation, the philanthropic arm of ride-hailing firm Ola, on Monday said it has partnered with online donation platform Give One India to provide consumers with oxygen concentrators for free through its own app. 22nd question. Who has won the ICC Men's Player of the Month of April 2021? Answer: Babar Azam. Pakistan skipper Babar Azam on Monday won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award for their terrific performance during the month of April. 23rd question. Which state becomes the fifth state to float global tender for COVID-19 vaccines? Answer: Odisha. Odisha became the fifth state after Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan and Maharashtra to float global tenders to procure vaccines for international manufacturers and asked the centre to exempt imported vaccines from all tax liabilities to reduce the burden on its finance. 24th question. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2021? Answer: Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. 25th question. Which e-commerce company has launched Sanjeevani tool to connect with the potential plasma donors? Answer: Snapdeal. E-commerce company Snapdeal has launched Sanjeevani to connect COVID-19 patients with potential plasma donors, joining the growing roster of companies that have introduced digital tools to help people amid the deadly second wave of the pandemic. 26th question. Who has won the ICC Women's Player of the Month of April 2021? Answer: Alyssa Healy. In the women's category, Australia wicket-keeper batsman Alyssa Healy was declared ICC Women's Player of the Month of April 2021. 27th question. When is National Technology Day celebrated? Answer: May 11. National Technology Day is celebrated every year on May 11 to highlight the achievements of the engineers and scientists in the field of technology and science. The day acts as a reminder of country's technological advancement. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Executive Director of RBI? Answer: Jose J. Couture. The Reserve Bank of India on Monday appointed Jose J. Couture as ED with effect from 4th May 2021. The central bank said in the press release before being promoted as ED, Couture was heading Bengaluru Regional Office of the RBI as Regional Director for Karnataka. 29th question. Which IT company donates $15 million to India for COVID-19 relief? Answer: Twitter. Microblogging giant Twitter has donated $15 million to help address the COVID-19 crisis in India, which is battling the unprecedented second wave of deadly pandemic. 30th question. Name the first woman revenue minister of Kerala who died recently. Answer: K.R. Gauri Amma. Kerala's senior-most communist leader and the member of the first elected government, K.R. Gauri Amma, has passed away at the age of 102 years. Gauri Amma was undergoing treatment at a private hospital in Thiruvananthapuram for age-related ailments. 31st question. Which state government has announced free treatment of black fungus patients? Answer: Maharashtra. Patient of mucormycosis, a serious but rare fungal infection now affecting those suffering from coronavirus, will be treated for free under the Maharashtra government's flagship medical insurance scheme, Health Minister Rajesh Toppe said on Monday. Next question. Which country's population has crossed 1.4 billion population? Answer: China. From the trend of population development in recent years, the population growth will continue to slow in the future, NBS head Ning said, adding that China's total population will remain at more than 1.4 billion in the near future. 33rd question. Where is Rotuma Island situated as they celebrate Rotuma Day on May 13? Answer: Fiji. Rotuma Day is annual celebration on the islands of Rotuma, a Fijian dependency. It falls on May 13, the anniversary of island cessions to the United Kingdom in 1881. 34th question. Which institution has set up 12 members NTF to enhance public health response for the pandemic? Answer: the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India has put in a place of 12-member national task force, including top experts and doctors from across the country, to facilitate a public health response to pandemic based on scientific and specialized domain knowledge. 35th question. Name the app launched by Yono SBI and Shivarai Technologies for farm accounting. Answer: Farmiso Khata. Yono SBI joins hands with Shivarai Technologies to launch small farm accounting app Farmiso Khata. Next question. Which company has suspended the vehicle purchase using Bitcoin? Answer: Tesla. 67th question. Who has launched international money transfer for United States users? Answer: Google Pay. Alphabet Inc.'s Google has launched international money transfer partnership with remittance firms Wise and Western Union Co. for users of its US payment app, the company said on Tuesday. 38th question. Which organization has won Green Urja Award 2021? Answer: IREDA. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited has been conferred with Green Urja Award for being the leading public institution in the financing institution for renewable this year by Indian Chamber of Commerce. 39th question. Which space agency Osiris Rex robotic prospector started travel back to Earth? Answer: NASA's. 40th question. Which bank has launched an artificial intelligence chatbot named Eva? Answer: HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank and Common Service Center on Monday launched chatbot Eva on CSE's Digital Seva portal to support the village entrepreneurs in providing banking services for the last mile rural customers. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of BPCL? Answer: Arun Kumar Singh. 42nd question. Which country has allowed the use of Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-old children? Answer: US. An advisory panel of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention on Wednesday recommended the use of Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccines for children aged between 12 and 15. 43rd question. In which state the boat ambulance service was started first? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. A houseboat owner in Srinagar, Patlu, came up with the idea of floating ambulance last year after he was tested positive for coronavirus. It is situated at Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir Valley. 44th question. Who has been awarded with the World Food Prize 2021? Answer: Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh. Dr. Shakuntala Harak Singh Thistled, a global nutrition expert of India descent, has won prestigious 2021 World Food Prize for her groundbreaking research in developing holistic nutrition sensitive approaches to aquaculture and food systems. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of NARC Limited? Answer: Padma Kumar Nair. SBI Chief General Manager Padma Kumar Nair is all set to take over the first chief executive for the government approved NARC 3 people familiar with process said. 46th question. Who became the first Indian to win Zayed Book Award 2021? Answer: Tahera Kutabuddin. The Mumbai-born professor won the honor for her Arabic oration, art and function, which was published by Brill Academy Publishers of Leiden in 2019. 47th question. What is the theme of World Nurses Day 2021? Answer: Nurses, a voice to let a vision for future healthcare. The theme of this year is Nurses, a voice to lead a vision for future healthcare. Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, nurses are doing a selfless job. Next question. Name the 3-time national table tennis champion who died recently. Answer: Venugopal Chandrasekhar. The 3-time national table tennis champion and international player V. Chandrasekhar passed away here on Wednesday due to COVID-19 related complications. 49th question. Who is the author of the book Elephant in the Womb? Answer: Kalki Koechlin. Actor Kalki Koechlin is making her debuts as an author with illustrated non-fiction book on motherhood. Publisher Penguin Random House India announced on Saturday. 50th question. Recently, which volcano was erupted in Indonesia? Answer: Mount Sinabung. Indonesia's Mount Sinabung, located in the North Sumatra province, erupted on Thursday, belching a massive column of volcanic ash and smoke 3,000 meters into the sky. Next question. Who has become the first Sikh woman to be elected to Scottish Parliament? Answer: Pam Gosal. 53-year-old businesswoman Pam Gosal created history by becoming the first Sikh to be elected to Scottish Parliament. Gosal was elected as a Conservative member of Scottish Parliament via the West of Scotland list. Next question. Name NASA's Giant Webb Telescope which succeeded in its pre-launch. Answer: the James Webb Telescope. 53rd question. Who was the director of Nehru Planetarium who died due to COVID-19? Answer: N. Ratnasri. Notable astronomy communicator and director of Nehru Planetarium, N. Ratnasri, 57-year-old, died on Sunday after being infected with COVID. Next question. Who has launched Connected Commerce, creating a roadmap for a digitally inclusive Bharat? Answer: Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog and MasterCard on Monday released a report titled Connected Commerce, creating a roadmap for digitally inclusive Bharat. 55th question. Which is the first state to have an online digital flood reporting system? Answer: Assam. Jishnu Barawa, Chief Secretary Assam, on May 8, 2021 launched a digital real-time flood reporting system and information management system in the state of Assam. 56th question. The third Arctic Science Ministerial 2021 was held in which city recently? Answer: Tokyo. The third Arctic Science Ministerial was held in Tokyo, Japan on 8th and 9th of May 2021. 57th question. When is International Nurses Day celebrated? Answer: May 12th. International Nurses Day is an international day observed around the world on May 12 of each year to mark the contributions that nurses make to the society. Next question. Who has been appointed as the 38th National President of FICCI Ladies Organization? Answer. Ujjwala Singhania. Ujjwala Singhania, appointed as the 38th National President of FICCI Ladies Organization. Ujjwala is a natural leader who strongly advocates for women's empowerment. Her drive and tireless efforts to make a difference to women in all walks of life led her initiative, the FLO Women Directors Initiative, in 2015. 59th question. Where will be the EIBA Men's World Boxing Championship 2021 held? Answer. Belgrade. The World Championship of Boxing for Men will be held from 26 October to 6 November in Belgrade, Serbia, the International Boxing Association (EIBA) announced on Tuesday. 60th question. Name the 23rd district of Punjab which was created recently. Answer. Malerkotla. Malerkotla district is the 23rd district of Punjab, created on 14 May 2021. 61st question. Which state has released Rs 60 lakh for stray animals? Answer. Odisha. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has sanctioned funds from Chief Minister Relief Fund for a special cause. The sum of 60 lakh will be utilized to feed stray animals during the ongoing COVID-19 lockdowns in parts of the state. 62nd question. India held its fourth financial dialogue with which country? Answer. Switzerland. The fourth India-Swiss financial dialogue was held virtually in New Delhi today. Secretary Economic Affairs Ajay Seth led the Indian delegation. Next question. Which bank has launched I Choose My Number feature? Answer. Jana Small Bank. Sixty-fourth question. Name the country from which India is going to buy 6 P-81 maritime patrol aircraft. Answer. USA. The United States has cleared the potential sale of 6 additional P-81 maritime patrol aircraft for India worth $2.42 billion. Which New Zealandian cricketer has decided to retire after England tour? Answer. BJ Watling. 34-year-old Watling has represented New Zealand in 73 Tests, 28 ODIs and 5 T20s. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new UN humanitarian chief? Answer. Martin Griffiths. Martin Griffiths, currently United Nations Special Envoy for Yemen, will be the next Under Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator, the UN announced on Wednesday. 67th question. Before 67th question, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. 67th question. What is the price of Sputnik 5 vaccine imported from Russia to India? Answer. 995 rupees. Imported Sputnik V vaccine to cost 995, made in India shots may be cheaper. The imported doses of Russia's Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccines will cost 995.40 per shot, said the company's partner in Dr. Reddy's laboratories on Friday. 68th question. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Central African Republic? Answer. Ramakaran Verma. Ramkaran Verma has been concurrently accredited as the next ambassador of India to Central African Republic, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Tuesday. Next question. Who has become the new Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly? Answer: M. Appavu. The DMK on Monday announced that it would field M. Appavu, elected from Radhapuram constituency, for the post of Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, for which election will be held on May 12th. 70th question. Name the digital platform launched by Airtel Payments Bank to make investments in gold. Answer: DigiGold. The gold is stored securely by SafeGold at no additional cost and can be sold through Airtel Thanks app. Airtel Payments Bank on Thursday launched DigiGold, a digital platform for customers to make investments in gold. 71st question. Name the chairperson of Times Group who died recently. Answer: Indu Jain. Indu Jain was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the third highest civilian honor in the country, in 2016. Next question. COVID-19 double mutant B.1.617 was first detected in which country? Answer: India. 73rd question. Who has been appointed as the head coach of senior women Indian team? Answer: Ramesh Pawar. Former spinner Ramesh Pawar on Thursday replaced W.V. Raman as the India's women's cricket team head coach, regaining the position more than 2 years after he was sacked owing to a bitter fallout with ODI captain Mithali Raj. Next question. Which state government announced free education for kids orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Thursday announced that children who lost their parents or guardians due to COVID will be provided free education and Rs 5,000 monthly pension. Next question. How many units of OxyCare system will be procured using PM CARES Fund? Answer: 1.5 lakh. PM CARES Fund accords sanction of procurement of 1,50,000 units of OxyCare system developed by DRDO. The PM CARES Fund has accord sanction for procurement of 1.50 lakh unit of OxyCare system developed by Defence Research and Development Organization at cost of over 322 crore. 76th question. Who has been appointed as the Indian ambassador in Suriname? Answer: S. Balachandran. Ministry of External Affairs informed on Thursday that S. Balachandran has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Suriname. Currently, Balachandran is a Consul General of India in Jaffna. Next question. Which country has launched the 8th group of 3 Yagon 30? Answer: China. China launched the 8th group of Yagon 30 satellites on May 6, 2021 from Xiangchang Satellite Launch Center in southwest China. 78th question. Who has won Whiteley Award 2021 for his Biodiversity Peace Corridor? Answer: Y. Nucleoform. A church worker named Nucleoform from Nagaland has won the Whiteley Award, also known as Green Oscar, for his effort to create a network of community-owned forests in the state and protect the rare Amur falcon. This is Amur falcon. 79th question. PM Narendra Modi has released 8th installment of financial benefits under which scheme? Answer: PM Kisan Yojana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday released the 8th installment of financial benefit over 20,000 crore to 9.5 crore beneficiary farmers under PM Kisan scheme via video conferencing. 80th question. Which state's government has set up oxygen concentrators in its every district? Answer: Delhi. New Delhi, Oxygen Concentrator Bank has been set up in every district in Delhi to give a boost to the fight against coronavirus, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on today. 81st question. Which Indian American woman has become the senior advisor of President Joe Biden? Answer: Neera Tanden. The Biden administration has announced that Indian American Neera Tanden, who had withdrawn her nomination to lead the Office Management and Budget OMB amid bipartisan criticism, will now join the White House as senior advisor to President Joe Biden. 82nd question. When is International Day of Family celebrated? Answer: May 15th. May 15 is observed as International Day of Families by United Nations. The International Day of Families was proclaimed by UN General Assembly in 1993 so as to dedicate the World Day families and appreciate their importance. Since 1994, May 15 is celebrated as Family Day. Next question. Who has launched a mobile app for journalists in India? Answer: N.V. Ramana, Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana launched a mobile app on Thursday to enable journalists to report virtual proceedings without having to visit the court premise amid COVID-19 pandemic. Next question. Name the first cyclonic storm of this year which is traveling along Indian coast. Answer: Taukte. The name Taukte has been given by Myanmar, which means gecko. This is going to be the first cyclone storm of this year along Indian coast. 85th question. Name China's Mars spacecraft which has landed on Mars recently. Answer: Tianwen. 86th question. Who has become the first woman finance minister of Assam? Answer: Ajanta Niyoj. This is the first time in Assam's history that the post of finance minister was allotted to a woman. The 46-year-old Niyoj is a law graduate from Guwahati University. Next question. Recently, who has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Nepal? Answer: KP Sharma Oli. KP Sharma Oli was again appointed by Nepal's Prime Minister by President Dibya Devi Bandari on Thursday after opposition parties were unable to put together a coalition government by the 9 p.m. deadline. 88th question. What is the rank of India on ICC Test Teams ranking? Answer: 121. India remained the number 1 test side after the annual update of the ICC team rankings released on Thursday. India had the table with rating 121, having accumulated 2914 points from 24 matches. 89th question. Himachal Pradesh government will provide free treatment for corona under which scheme? Answer: Ayushman Bharat and HimCare. Himachal Pradesh government will provide free treatment to COVID-19 patients under HimCare and Ayushman Bharat scheme in registered private hospital, said officials on Wednesday. 90th question. India will export Uttarakhand's organic millet to which country? Answer: Denmark. The Commerce Ministry on Wednesday said the first consignment of organic millets produced in Uttarakhand would be exported to Denmark. 91st question. Which state has suspended the third phase of COVID-19 vaccination? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Next question. When is World Mother's Day celebrated in 2021? Answer: May 9th. 93rd question. Which state has started the experimental delivery of COVID vaccine by drones? Answer: Telangana. The Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation have granted a conditional exemption to the Telangana government for conducting experimental beyond visual line of sight drone flight for delivery of COVID-19 vaccines. Next question. Which state government is building forest ponds for rainwater harvesting? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. It is being constructed under Parvat Dhara scheme. 95th question. What is the name of 100th electric locomotive train which was established in India? Answer: VAC 12B. It is proud moment for Indian Railways as 100th 12,000 HP VAC 12B has been inducted in India Railways fleet. It is manufactured by Madhepura Electric Locomotive Limited. 96th question. Which steel company has recently entered the list of 100 valued Indian firms? Answer: SAIL. 97th question. Which state government earmarks Rs 108 crore as relief to 7.2 lakh auto rickshaw drivers? Answer: Maharashtra. A sum of 108 crore has been allocated to provide Rs 1,500 each as one-time relief amid coronavirus-induced restriction to 7.20 lakh auto rickshaw drivers in Maharashtra, an official said. 98th question. When is Gopala Krishna Gokhale Jayanti celebrated? Answer: May 9th. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was born on May 9, 1866 in Kotluk village in Guhagar Taluka in Ratnagiri district in present-day Maharashtra. 99th question. Name the 12-year-old boy who built world's tallest popsicle stick building to make Guinness World Record. Answer: Eric Clapel. 100th question. Who became the new Chief Minister of Assam? Answer: Himanta Biswa Sarma. Himanta Biswa Sarma will succeed Sarbanda Sonowal as the Chief Minister of Assam. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.